Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mandarin Studios. My name is Andy Zhang. Today I'm going to show you a very frequently used Chinese character. Now let's get started. The character we're about to learn today is pronounced dian, which is the third tone. This character is composed of 9 writing strokes as shown here on the left in an animated image. The character dian is often used as a measure word, which means some or a little bit. The part of the speech of this character could also be a noun or a verb. So grammatically, this character can be used as a predicate or an object in a sentence. Dian is listed as one of the most frequently used beginner level 1 characters in Chinese proficiency test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of dian is indicated as follows. Now I'd like to share with you the usage of dian as a measure word with some examples here. The first sentence, 先生，您想喝点什么？我们有咖啡、茶和果汁。先生 Sir, 您 You, 想 would like to, 喝 to drink, 点 a little bit, 什么 what. 先生，您想喝点什么？ Sir, what would you like to drink? 我们有咖啡、茶和果汁。我们 we 有 to have, 咖啡 coffee, 茶 tea 和 and, 果汁 fruit juice. 我们有咖啡、茶和果汁。We have coffee, tea, and fruit juice. Next sentence. 请给我一杯苹果汁。请 please. 给 to give. 我 me. 1 杯 cup. 苹果 apple. 汁 juice. 请给我一杯苹果汁。Please give me a cup of apple juice. 好的，您需要加点冰块吗？好的 Okay or fine. 您 you 需要 need. 加 to add. 点 a little bit or some. 冰块 ice cubes. 吗 is a question mark. 好的，您需要加点冰块吗？Okay, do you need to add some ice cubes? Last sentence. 是的，请加点冰块，谢谢。是的 yes. 请 please. 加 to add. 点 a little bit. 冰块 ice cubes. 谢谢 thanks. 是的，请加点冰块，谢谢。Yes, please add some ice cubes. Thanks. Now you have learned the usage of dian as a measure word, which means some or a little bit. Well, if you look up a dictionary, you will find that this character has much more meaning and can be used differently. The character dian could be used as a noun, which means point, dot, o'clock, liquid drops, or dim sum. When used as a verb, the character dian could mean to ignite, to count, to click, or to order. I know the beginner level learners are often frustrated with a Chinese character with multiple meanings. They see those characters as hard nuts to crack. Now let's work together to memorize the multiple meanings of this character. Now let's try to memorize the multiple meanings of this character by using a little bit of our imagination. Firstly, if we cover the top part of this character, there are 4 dots left under. The 4 dots means a point or dot. A clock. The little square in the middle is actually an alarm clock. Liquid drops. The little square in the middle is actually a piece of a square towel with water drops. Dim sum. The little square in the middle is actually a piece of cake with 4 pieces of spring rolls under. Use as a verb to ignite. The 4 dots underneath are fire flames, and the square in the middle is actually a cooking pot. So if you are cooking, you ignite first. To count, the 4 dots underneath are your fingers, and the little square in the middle are the piece of money. So you count money with your fingers. To click, the little square is actually a mouse pad. The 4 dots are your fingers. So you click with your fingers. To order, the 4 dots are your fingers, and the little square in the middle are the screen of your cell phone or a food menu. So you order food with your fingers. Congratulations, you have learned all the different meaning of this character. I hope you could learn more and more Chinese characters in a joyful way, especially by using a little bit of your imagination. By doing so, you won't be frustrated in your learning process. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.